Hello everyone, this is Hanja for Hanja Bible. This time we are going to look at together hide oneself. This character pronunciation is in the Mandarin pronunciation. This Hanja Bible channel is bilingual. Separate bilingual lectures has been made in Korean and in English. And you can search this channel by typing Hanja Bible. And a link is given for the lecture materials for English and Korean people. Okay. One of the characteristics of these lectures is tone number principle application. I will upload for English people, English speaking people, why specific character has specific tone number values. Okay. On the index, we are here. This character is one of the very mysterious character from my viewpoint. Hide oneself, bird's tail. I will explain. This character is just one stroke radical, or one stroke Chinese character came from the dot. Hidden meaning was sky. Korean Hanja and Chinese traditional and simplified form all same shape. In Korean language, 스물은 새꼬리은, 스물은 새꼬리은. 스물 means hide oneself, and 새꼬리 means bird's tail. The pronunciation is tone number 3. In. You write this character like this. The bird's tail part. If you look at this character to learn through shape, this character is a variant of bird. You have learned variant of E. The shape of bird's tail that appears at the end when the bird hides himself or herself somewhere. But a bird, I remember in my childhood when I was in a mountain, I saw a bird. He was trying to hide himself, but he thought himself he was hiding, but it was not. The tail, still, we can see. Can you imagine? Very funny stories, but anyway, that's why I call this character is very mysterious character. Korean ancestors has taught us this character means hide oneself. Also, bird's tail. It's amazing. I would suggest a symbolic analysis or interpretation for this character. It's the shape of a person who hides himself in a small room and humbly kneels down to pray. If you look at the shape of this character, a bird is shaped like this. But this part, abbreviated, and the remaining part is like this. So that's why this is the variant of a bird, but also why it has the meaning of hiding himself or herself. So that's why I interpreted this character. It's the shape of a person who hides himself in a small room and humbly kneels down to pray. This character reminds me of the Bible verses. Matthew, if you read this Bible verse, you can imagine a man who enters into his closet and pray to God in secret, right? Can you imagine that? Yeah. So the dictionary meaning, bird's tail, hide oneself, and I would say repeatedly the hidden meaning is very important, actually much more important than the dictionary meanings sometimes. So in this case, this character's hidden meanings are humble man, a humble kneeler. Please try to remember these hidden meanings, because I would suggest to you so many characters will be described or explained or interpreted through these hidden meanings. Okay? And the next issue is why this character has the specific tone number 3. From foreigners' point of view, when we are learning Chinese characters, we should remember its pronunciation. Yeah. So God gives a hiding place to a person who lowers himself and humbly kneels down to God in prayer. So tone number 3. Yeah, lowering himself and praying in a humble, modest, and obedient manner, something like that. Okay, so in this way, we can remember this character should have maybe, but I would not insist. You can set up your own logics through these tone number principle tables. Okay, it's free. So what do you think about all of these interpretations, including the tone number analysis? If you like it, please subscribe. Yeah. Thank you very much for your listening to the end, and see you next time.